Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amarta Rupani, and first of all I would like to wish you all a very happy Navratri, and I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful festival with your family and friends. Today I'm going to make two recipes for Navratri Parsad that I always make on this occasion, and I've decided to share those recipes with you as well. So anyways, let's go into the kitchen and start making the Parsad. Okay, so first recipe is Kala Chana, and for that I took almost 1 kg of Kala Chana and soaked them overnight and boiled until they became soft. For this recipe, we are also going to need 1 boiled potato and some basic masalas such as salt, red chili powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder, chaat masala, turmeric powder, and ginger powder. And now we will add 1 cup of water into it and give it a good mix. I am going to use ghee for this recipe, so in a hot pan I added 1 tablespoon of ghee followed by 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and I will let it cook for 40 to 45 seconds. And now it's time to add this masala that we prepared. I also added red crushed chilies because I wanted to make it more spicy. So anyways, we will cook it until the oil is separated. You can say for 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. And now it's time to add those boiled chickpeas and give it a good mix. And we will add some water into it and then cover it. We'll cook it until the water is dried so that all the masalas are mixed with chickpeas. And now our aloo is ready as well. As you can see, it's been 8 to 10 minutes and our water is dried, and it is the time to add our boiled potato into it. We'll give it a good mix, and I added some lemon juice into it. At the end, I added green chilies and tomatoes. And our Kala Chana recipe is ready. The next recipe is rice kheer, and for that I took 1 cup of rice and I washed and soaked it for almost half an hour. And now I'm going to boil 2 liters of milk. I'm going to crush 5 to 6 cardamom, and after crushing it I'm going to take its shells off and add the cardamom powder into the milk. On timely basis we will keep on stirring the milk so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Now it's been almost half an hour. Now it's time to add those soaked rice into it. I will also add kesar to get nice color. It's been almost 1.5 hours and the quantity of the milk has become almost half. And this is the time when we will add sugar into it. Give it a good mix. Now time to add some dry fruits. I added pistachios, almonds, and dried coconut. You can add dry fruit of your choice. And the final step of this process is to add vanilla essence. Just a few drops to enhance the flavor. And my kheer is ready. Okay, so these are super quick and super delicious recipes. Usually people make puris with it, but I am going to enjoy this food with paratha or roti. Okay, so that was pretty much it for today, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel because there is a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care and I'll see you again.